Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to uninstall or reinstall the Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. When troubleshooting network issues, you will need to fiddle with your computer Wi-Fi drivers. If you determine a bad driver to have triggered a network problem, you can reinstall the Wi-Fi drivers to fix the issues. While uninstalling your Wi-Fi drivers is easy enough and the reinstallation process can be tedious. So here we show you how to install and reinstall, uninstall and reinstall the Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11 the right way. How to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11 an easy way. First of all, we will learn how to uninstall the drivers. To uninstall the wireless drivers, press Win plus R to open Run. Type devgmgt.msc and click OK to open Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section. Right click on your wireless driver and select Properties. Depending on your computer manufacturer, you may have an Intel or other wireless drivers. Here is an example. If you move further in the Properties windows, note the Wi-Fi adapter name and driver version. This is an optional step, but the information is useful if you want to download the drivers for reinstall manually. Click OK to close the Properties windows. In Device Manager, click on View Devices by Driver. This will show all the devices by drivers. This is our device driver. Right click on the OEM20.INF net WTW08.INF driver package for the Wi-Fi devices and select remove driver. Here you remove the driver. Here select the uninstall this driver on any device that currently uses it and attempt to force removal of this driver while it is still in use by device options. Click on the remove to uninstall the driver. This process may take a few seconds to complete. That should uninstall your Wi-Fi driver successfully without deleting your Wi-Fi adapter. The Windows will revert to using the generic Microsoft wireless driver temporarily. The next step is to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. There are many ways to install the Wi-Fi drivers in the Windows. While you can use Device Manager update driver features, it is not most reliable, but below are the two ways to download the install the latest version of wireless driver Windows. How to reinstall the Wi-Fi drivers Windows 11 using the Windows update. Here is when you will start Windows update. Press Win plus 1 to open settings. Open the Windows update tab left and click the on check for update. Windows will now scan for missing system updates and download the wireless drivers update of your Wi-Fi adapter. This is an automated process, so wait for the installation to complete. Then how to reinstall the Wi-Fi drivers manually and manufacturer's website. Introduction available downloads. You can also download and install the latest version Wi-Fi drivers from the manufacturer website. To download the Wi-Fi driver package, go to Intel Download Center page, page, type your Wi-Fi adapter model number and the search bar to find the drivers. Click on the Windows 10 and Windows 11 Wi-Fi drivers for enter Wi-Fi adapter from the search result. Click on the download button to download the Wi-Fi driver package. Run the installer and follow on screen instructions to complete the installation. That's it. You should now have the latest version of Wi-Fi driver on your PC. That was all about today's video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.